Hello, everybody, and welcome back. My name is Anastasia with Best Washington Properties, and I'm happy to see you again. Today, I want to take a little bit of time to talk about being a real estate agent and some non-traditional ways of earning income. I know that we all get stuck in this box and thinking that the only way to make money as a real estate agent is by selling houses, making money by commissions, right? What if something were to happen, though, and you were unable to go out and show homes? Let's say, heaven forbid you broke your leg, or that you needed to take some time off for maternity leave. How do you intend to make income in between those commissions when you're not able to be selling houses? You still have to be able to keep a roof over your head, right? Don't we all? So let's talk about some non-traditional ways to make that income. If you happen to be at a brokerage that you have opportunities to leverage your knowledge to help others be successful and earn additional income in doing so, those are amazing opportunities. EXP happens to be one of those brokerages where, in helping agents be successful and sell real estate, we get rewarded for doing so in something called revenue share, in a check that bounces into our accounts on the 22nd of each and every month. Some other ways to make additional income as a real estate agent would be things like affiliations, becoming an influencer for products that you love and enjoy. I know that's thinking outside the box a little bit, but again, as we just discussed, you've got to be able to keep the roof over your head and a steady flow of income coming in. Let's talk about what that looks like. There are sites like clickbank.com that offer you an opportunity to take a look at many different companies that offer affiliation opportunities. The other thing you could think about is products that you love and already enjoy. A lot of those companies, I promise you, are already offering affiliation programs. So why not? If you're already using those products, you know and you love them, why not support that company in its growth and earn some additional income while doing so? I myself started doing some of these affiliate income opportunities, and I make 5 figures each and every month, somewhere between $10,000 to $15,000+ each month, just from being an influencer. These opportunities are amazing and shouldn't be overlooked. So connect with clickbank.com, take a look at some of their websites, get your feet wet with the affiliations, and start to take a look at other opportunities. Reach out to companies that you already are enjoying their products with and talk to them about what it would look like to partner with them and become an affiliate or influencer. See what their program looks like. One of the things that I recommend would be to go with companies that offer not a link to utilize their services and to leverage your affiliation or influence, but use a code. Now I realize that, these companies promise that they'll be able to pixel those individuals and be able to track who's utilizing your code. There's a little bit of a gray area though. What if somebody sees your information, sees what product you're supporting, and then they come onto their laptop, for instance, because they feel more secure about purchasing a product from their laptop? Well, they're no longer being pixeled because they leveraged their cell phone to watch your information and then went on their laptop and input it. But with a code, and we all, I think as consumers, can agree that it's so easy to just remember a code and type it in, right? With a code, they're able just to go to that website for whatever the product is that you're recommending, type in that code, and tie you to that product and support of that product, being the affiliate, being the influencer that brought them to utilizing that product or service, and then potentially get a discount as well just by using that. And each and every month, you'll receive a check for increasing the business of the company that you're supporting. If you guys have any questions about this, I would love to talk more about it. I'd love to offer my assistance and guidance. There are tons of ways to be able to support these companies, to be able to leverage your influence. Social media is a great outlet. Look at YouTube. We're here talking about this today. You can do that on Instagram Reels, TikTok, Facebook. There are tons of different platforms where you can get this information out and share it. So let's talk about ways in which you can do that. Feel free to connect with me anytime. I'd love to get you going on it too, because there's plenty for all of us to be able to do here. And we all deserve to not have to live paycheck to paycheck. I'll talk to you guys soon.